Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align shapes vertically in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the Insert menu. Select the Shape drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. Now I am select a shape. Now I am select the heart shape. Then draw the heart shape to this workbook. Then go back again the shape drop down menu and choose another shape. Now I am select the decagon. Then draw the shape. You can change the fill color. Now I am select this multiple shape. Press and hold shift on our keyboard and go to the shape format menu. Select this alignment drop down menu and choose align center. You can align the top, left, right, middle or bottom. Now I am make the center. You can make this left, otherwise right, etc. Now we can see we align shapes vertically easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.